This is the great room of the Timberwood. Behind me is the front door. As you can see, there are lots of windows here. They're taped over because we're painting. The wall color right now is a gray, and it's being done for as a primer for the paint. And if you saw my video of yesterday, you remember there was some overspray on the ceilings, and you can tell now that they finished taping it up and they have repainted the ceilings, and it's looking much better. I believe they may put color on tomorrow, and if so, I will definitely put a video up about that and show you the difference, or photos at least. Again, as I showed you earlier, this is our room from the garage. The garage is just past this door here. I won't belabor that point, but we have a deacon's bench and a broom closet here, and some extra room for things such as either if you want to do coats. Now we do have coats over here, but if you wanted to put other storage here, or a pantry or shelves. And then, as I mentioned earlier, here is the main floor bathroom with a stool and vanity. Half bath is what we call those. Again, we are now at the landing going down to the lower level. Coming all the way down. I can tell they are working. It smells very strongly of paint here. Again, I mentioned earlier that we had the big windows that let in lots of light. It'll be a garden type environment with a ladder for fire egress. We had also mentioned that area over there is our furnace and hot water heater, and we'll also have space for storage, a little more storage underneath the stairway there. Before we got to the bedrooms, I wanted to start here on this stairway landing. This is about where the video cut off yesterday. What we have here, if you look up, you can see that it is just a big, impressive space here. We're looking at putting either a big piece of artwork or a mirror up here on this wall. I think if we do a mirror, this thing is going to feel even larger. So, going on up to the upper levels, we have a little enclave here. I'm sorry, I keep pointing the camera. It's a lifelong habit. This is the master bedroom. So you can see it's very good size, nice tall ceiling. You can see a bit of the view out the window there, past the plastic. There is a nice, deep, big walk-in closet right here. If you've seen some of my earlier videos, you'll be able to see it there. And here is the master suite with the twin vanity bathroom. And if you look up there, you can see that we have a nice vaulted ceiling. And that crown molding there to the right, behind that is going to be some indirect lighting. So you'll have a very soft, gentle light coming into here. And it's going to look awesome. Going further back, we have the water closet where we'll have a beautiful shower. It'll be tiled, and the stool. Then coming on into the hallway here. Sorry that's so dark. That's why I'm keeping my flashlight. Once we have power, that'll get resolved. We have our main bathroom, and off the main bathroom is the laundry room. And the laundry room there, it will have doors there to wall it off, and also help manage noise when it's running. Your vanity and your mirror will be right here, and the stool just off of that, and then there's the bathtub enclosure. I aimed the flashlight at the ceiling so that you can see the rooms in a fairly natural light. In here, and I doubt you'll be able to see it, is the linen closet. And let's look at the other two bedrooms. This one's a very nice bedroom, very tall ceilings, 10 foot I'm guessing, maybe 11, I'd have to measure, but I think it's 10 foot. With a nice closet here off to the right, nice windows, and the view's decent. That's the other home I'll talk to you about at some point soon. And that pile of dirt over there is going to be another home later on. So that just gives you an idea of the view. I'm moving myself to help not change the position of the camera as much. This one is the third bedroom. Again, with a window there. And one of the things I really like about it is the very tall ceilings. Again, the rooms just feel so spacious and open. The builder, Randy Dalrymple, who also designed the home, is a master at making space feel large, feel good, and feel welcoming. I really love what he does. So anyway, that is the view of the Timberwood model home.